this come from? For daddy's balls. Now let's open up.
Wow, what's that, Lael?
Yes.
Oh,
You get away again.
yes.
So this is a truck. And this is the remote for the control for the car.
Okay.
And we're gonna put this in the battery inside that bit.
Okay. You have to sure that it's a positive and negative, right? I already show it to you before.
Like this.
Can you see it? No, it's like that.
Oh.
Okay, and then the other one is
Like that.
okay. That's it.
Now let's put it back. When you can do like this because that's just kinda broke. You cannot do like this. You cannot turn out back this and there's some hole here, right? You're gonna under like the car. Look what happened.
It's already
Never
closed.
cannot take off.
Okay, it's already closed.
Now
Okay.
now
What's another?
Let's turn it off.
Did you put the rechargeable battery here? Did you
Yes.
put? There's a battery here inside.
Yes.
Oh.
Where is it? Oh, I forgot.
Okay. Do you know
Let
how to
me try
insert?
it.
Okay.
I got it.
Can I check? Oh, it's
Wrong?
yes. Okay, that's it.
What?
It's too hard, baby.
Yes. Too hard. No. You got to wait. Why you can do that?
Okay. Okay.
Now,
It's already
let's
flat.
back this. Hear the noise. Hear the noise. Let's hear the noise. Let's hear the noise.
Like click.
Yes.
Okay, that is already
Done.
locked.
And let's turn it up this. And
Okay.
this is lock in the back.
Okay.
And let's.
Oh.
I said they're not gonna take off. Where they got take off? Yeah. And let's see this.
You already on this?
Yes.
Okay. So let's try if this is working. Oh.
Ouch, he hate me.
Are you happy on that car?
Yes.
Okay. What will you say to Sir Benji?
Thank you, Sir Benji. Don't forget the click.
The thumbs
Click
up.
and give me a huge thumbs up. And click the tab below. And click the subscribe. Bye bye. See you next time.
All right.